Knocking and combustion. Question number 1. In a petrol engine, tendency for knocking decreases with increase in charge temperature. Okay. The charge air fuel mixture, that is called the charge. The charge temperature increases. Increase in charge temperature will decrease a tendency for knocking. In knocking is a general phenomenon in petrol engine as well as in diesel engines. So knocking represents the incomplete combustion. Okay, due to incomplete combustion, the knocking will occur. That is, auto ignition of the fuel occurs before it reaches whether the flame front reaches the end portion of the combustion chamber. Auto ignition of the charge will occur, and due to this auto ignition, knocking will occur. So we have to reduce the knocking. So in order to reduce the knocking, we have to increase the charge temperature. Answer is A. So knocking is due to auto ignition, end portion of the unburned charge in combustion chamber. This is called knocking. Factors affecting knocking: fuel characteristics, paraffins, olefins, naphthenes, aromatics, conditions of charge, compression ratio, ignition, combustion chamber, engine cylinder, load on the engine, atmospheric condition. Yeah, all the factors affect the knocking. SI engine fuels in the order of decreasing knocking tendency are, answer is B. So paraffins have a higher knocking tendency, naphthenes have medium, and aromatics have less. So in the order of decreasing knocking tendency are aromatics have less and paraffins have higher knocking tendency. Answer is B. Knocking in engines. In diesel engine it is described by a number called cetane number. In petrol engines it is described by a number called octane number. Okay, knocking quality of fuel. That is, petrol fuel is described by octane number. Diesel fuel is described by cetane number. Octane number of which fuel is 0. So octane number of normal heptane is 0. Octane number of normal heptane is 0. Answer is A. Effects of knocking: it produces noise, mechanical damage to the engine, increase in heat transfer rate, power output and pre-ignition. Control of knocking: increasing the engine RPM, retarding the spark, reducing the inlet pressure, making mixture too lean or too rich, injecting the water in the mixture, using low compression ratio, designing a suitable combustion chamber design by using two spark plugs and using high octane fuel. The principal source of pollutant of hydrogen sulfide in air is incomplete combustion. So the exhaust products will produce hydrogen sulfide. So it is produced due to incomplete combustion. For the determination of cetane number, the test conducted on a mixture of cetane with difluoromethane. Answer is B. Which of the following factors increase detonation in SI engines? So increased spark, answer is D. Increased spark advance increase detonation. Detonation and knocking both are same. Increased spark advance increase detonation, and increased speed will not affect. It will reduce detonation. Increased air fuel ratio, it will reduce detonation. Increased compression ratio will increase the detonation. So the 1 and 4 are answer is D. 1 and 4 are correct. Increase spark advance, increase compression ratio. Reference fuels for knock rating of SI engine fuels would include N-heptane and isooctane. Knock rating in SI engine fuels are N-heptane and isooctane. So octane number is a measure of resistance to knocking. In SI engines we are using octane number, in CI engines we are using cetane number. So normal heptane NC7H16 is normal heptane. Octane by the name itself 8. Heptane is 7, octane is 8. C8H18. So N-heptane has an octane value of 0. Isooctane has an octane value of 100. The higher the octane number, the higher the resistance to knock. Okay, blends of these two hydrocarbons define the knock resistance are intermediate octane numbers. Blend of 10% N-heptane and 90% isooctane has an octane number of 90. Okay, N-heptane. So in the previous question, reference NOC rating of CA engines would include N-heptane and isooctane. For SA engine, N-heptane and isooctane. Answer is D. Knocking in SA engine decreases in which of the following combustion chamber designs? In combustion chamber designs, okay, I head has more knocking, T head has medium, and F head has less knocking qualities. So I head, T head, and F head. F head has low knocking qualities, and I head has more knocking tendency. So F head has more noise reduction qualities, and I head more knocking quality. Which of the following factors are responsible for formation of NOx in spark ignition combustion chamber? So incomplete combustion and high temperature, these two factors, 1 and 2, answer is C. 1 and 2, formation of NOx in spark ignition combustion chamber, answer is C. Knocking tendency in SA engine reduces with increasing engine speed, as already we have discussed. Knocking tendency in SA engine reduces with increasing engine speed. Knocking tendency reduces. The reduced knocking in SA engine is generally observed with increased atmospheric humidity. Okay, it also so increased. It is not increased carbon deposits. It is not reduced atmospheric humidity. Increased S-cast pressure. It is not. So increased atmospheric humidity. If the atmospheric humidity is increased, tendency for knocking reduces. Answer is D. For minimizing knocking tendency in SA engines, the spark plug should be located, that is nearer to the exhaust valve. So knocking tendency, so we have the spark plug should be located nearer to the exhaust valve. Okay, so this will enable complete combustion. If it is located near the exhaust valve, complete combustion will be possible. So answer is detonation will be reduced. So answer is C. Reduced knocking tendency in SA engines is observed with increased rate of burning. So knocking tendency reduced with increased rate of burning. Answer is A. By adding tetraethyl lead to isooctane, octane number above 100 can be obtained. Okay, by adding tetraethyl lead, octane number above 100 can be obtained. Answer is C. When a fuel with the cetane number below 40 is used, it may cause S-cast smoke. Cetane number in diesel engines, so it may cause S-cast smoke, more S-cast smoke. So cetane number should not be below 40. Which of the following can have octane rating of more than 100? Benzol have octane rating more than 100. Isooctane has octane rating 100. Benzol has octane rating more than 100. In an SA engine, the advantage of spark timing will increase the knocking tendency. The spark timing, so the timing of spark will increase the knocking tendency. So the timing of spark should be more to increase the knocking tendency. So the spark timing will be less to reduce the knocking tendency. In a compression ignition engine, higher combustion chamber wall temperature will reduce the knocking tendency. So the combustion wall temperature, because in the compression ignition engine, so there is no spark plug, the fuel is automatically ignited by the charge, temperature and pressure. It is ignited, auto ignition. So there is a higher combustion chamber wall temperature is essential to reduce the knocking tendency in CA engines. A reduction in ignition delay reduces a diesel knock. Okay, so the ignition delay should be reduced. Okay, there are several stages. Ignition delay, rapid increase in the stages of combustion in CA engines are ignition delay, rapid combustion, controlled combustion, and end of combustion. There are four stages of combustion in CA engines. So the diesel knock should be, there is reduction in ignition delay, reduces the diesel knock. Incomplete combustion is indicated by, answer is B. So higher temperature of, higher percentage of carbon monoxide in exhaust gases. Okay, so one point is missing. Incomplete combustion is indicated by higher percentage of carbon monoxide in exhaust gases. In this case, answer is A. So incomplete combustion is indicated by carbon monoxide, higher percentage of carbon monoxide. In this case, answer is A. The primary reference fuels used for determining the anti-knock quality of C engines, diesel engines, are hexadecane and cyclohexane. For petrol engines, N-heptane and isooctane. But for diesel engines, hexadecane and cyclohexane are the fuels used to measure the anti-knock quality, cetane number. Okay, anti-knock quality, that is cetane number. Octane number of 2 to 4 trimethylpentane is 100. Octane number of 2 to 4 trimethylpentane is 100. Thank you.